Welcome to my weather briefing for Danielle Sylvester. This is the test video. Here we have the surface analysis chart I picked. As you can see, throughout the United States, we have high and low pressure systems. Towards the northeastern part of the United States by Idaho and Montana, we have a high pressure system. And then as we move towards the southern part of South Dakota, we have some rain showers following the cold front. For a more local application of this surface analysis chart, we can see that 1004 millibars is right over Grand Forks, North Dakota. This is lower than standard because the standard is 1013.5 millibars, so we can associate typically bad weather conditions with that low pressure system.